Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hey, my name is Manuela, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I appreciate it. So today I'm just gonna show you guys how I achieved this look. I actually really do like it. I hope you guys really like it too. I had fun creating this look. Everything came together and I'm really happy about that. Yeah, so before we get started, if you haven't already, please could you subscribe to my channel and click on that little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then let's get started. Alright, so I've started off with the usual. I've primed my eye. I'm just gonna do one eye on camera and then the other eye off camera. And what I used to prime my eye was the P.Louise base. It's in shade number 2 and it's called the Rumor. Alright, so that's what I used to prime my eyes. And today I wanted to do red. Okay, I want to do red, so we're doing red, but I'm sure you already know what we're doing because from the title, from my intro, you already know what we're doing, guys. And I want to try out all these little like gems, whatever they called, guys. Like, yeah, I don't think you can see them, but I think I want to use like silver. I'm not sure if I want to use silver or red, but I guess we'll see. Well, you already know what I decided. Y'all already know. So hopefully everything goes according to plan and we'll be good. Make sure that everything is blended out and it's evenly spread. And now I'm gonna go in with some red eyeshadow. Just gonna start off with the bright color and then I'm gonna use a lighter color to blend it out. I'm using my box of crayons eyeshadow palette, and we're gonna use the red. It's called red. They weren't trying to be fancy when they were giving it names. It's just called red. All right, so I'm just gonna be packing that onto my lid. I'm just packing it on first and then I'm going to blend it out. If you see little glitters on my face, it's because I had like a glitter disaster in my makeup bag. So yeah, I'm gonna be a glittered up babe for some time until I can like fully get it out of like everything. This red is nice. This eyeshadow palette is actually really good. Like, it has all of the colors. Like, if you just want to get one eyeshadow palette that you can use at any time, one eyeshadow palette that you can just pick up for whatever, you can get this eyeshadow palette. And their prices are actually really affordable. The company is called the Crayon case. So I am just packing that on and I'm building it up until I'm satisfied with everything and the shape. You kind of just want to pack it on in the shape that you want it. I have gold under my eye. Alright, so now what you want to do is just blend it out lightly. So I'm working in like small circular motions. And you want to make sure that there's not much pressure on your brush, because if you put pressure on your brush, then you're just brushing away product, but you don't want to do that. We just want to blend it out. We don't want to remove any product. But if you do remove product, you can just add more. You can just add more of that red. Okay, so now that I've blended out the red a bit, I'm gonna use a neutral color that's closer to my skin tone. I think I'm gonna go with tan. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, I'm gonna go in with tan and I'm gonna use that to blend out the red more. I just went to bed last night and like just before I went to sleep I was thinking about red, and I was thinking about like a red eye with like red lipstick, and I was like, ooh, I want to see myself in that. So, you know, I was like, okay, I'm gonna wake up, I'm gonna do my chores, I'm gonna do my chores, I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna do my hair. I don't know if it's just me, but like getting my hair ready feels like, you know, it's its own thing. Like it feels like a whole other job. That's what kind of like makes me lazy sometimes. Like I'm like, oh, I want to film, and like if I have to do a lot to my hair, I'll be like, do I really want to film? But yeah, my braids are old now. Yeah, that's why I have the head wrap thing going on. But I like the head wrap thing, you know. I like it. Not to say that I wouldn't have a head wrap if my braids weren't old. Ooh, guys, I'm doing something here. I am doing something. I hope you guys agree. This is actually coming out really dope. What was I saying? Oh yeah, head wrap. So I really like head wraps. I normally do them when I have like my own hair out, and then I do them when I have braids, when my braids are old. But I think, you know, I should also start doing them when my braids are also new, because it's bomb. It's bomb. And I have a lot of colors. Like when I decided that head wraps were for me, I went to look for a lot of colors, different colors, so that sis was always set and ready for different things, like matching with outfits, everything, matching with eyeshadow, you know, like what I'm doing now. I was prepared, I was ready, and they are serving me now. Although I think I've, like, not to say I've lost some, but I just don't know where they are. Like I have a black one, I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is, but it's in somewhere in my house. You know, you can't find something, but you know it's in your house, and then like you come across it when you don't need it at all. That's what's gonna happen. That's what's gonna happen. I don't know what will be in my head, but I will find it when I don't want it. I really like these like one eyeshadow look. Okay, there's not one eyeshadow, but it's two. Okay, I really like these two eyeshadow looks. I haven't really done them. I tried with the purple, that purple look that I did, and it really came out. Like I really liked that. And now here again, you know, trying. Okay, I'm going back in with the red, and I'm just packing it on, making sure that we do not miss a spot. And then back to blend. Blending really is like the key to success in eyeshadow. Like your blend, that's really just it. Like you just need to blend your eyeshadow, guys. You just need to blend it out, and you will win. You will win in this stage of your makeups. Alright guys, so I decided to go with the gold. I'm gonna use the NYX glitter glue to stick them on, and yeah, wish me luck. Hopefully I'm able to do this for you guys to see. So I'm gonna use the end of this brush just to like put a dot of the glue. Okay, I'm gonna stick it here. Okay, so guys, I'm not really gonna talk now because, you know, it's asking too much for me. I need to concentrate so that I don't fumble the bag. I really need to concentrate. Okay, I think here. Okay guys, so I managed to pull it off. Your girl managed to pull it off. I'm actually just so proud of myself. Okay, so I didn't record me putting the top bits, but she saw me putting the bottom. So basically just do the same thing, yeah? Just do the same thing. But so now I'm just gonna complete the look with the lip. And obviously, you know, I said I was feeling red. So we're gonna do a red lip. Just gonna use this red lip liner. I'm just outlining my lips. I'm going to go in with my Jacquemgido lip stain, and we're gonna spread that baby on. Alright guys, and we are pretty much done. I really like how this came out. I hope you guys like this too. Please do let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If anyone wants to try this out, please do tag me. If you do try it out, I really want to see what you guys come up with. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.